What is an easy step-by-step way to prepare and cook salmon recipe for a large family as holiday family gathering dinner? If you are looking to prepare and cook salmon for a large family gathering, here's a recipe that can easily feed a crowd. Ingredients: 2 to 3 large salmon fillets, about 2 pounds each. 1/4 cup olive oil. 1/4 cup soy sauce. 1/4 cup honey. 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard. 2 tablespoons minced garlic. 1 lemon, sliced into rounds. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. Line a large baking sheet with parchment paper. Step 2. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, soy sauce, honey, Dijon mustard, and minced garlic until well combined. Step 3. Season the salmon fillets with salt and pepper on both sides, then place them on the prepared baking sheet. Step 4. Pour the marinade over the salmon fillets, making sure they are well coated. Step 5. Place the lemon slices on top of the salmon fillets. Step 6. Cover the salmon with foil and bake in the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. Step 7. Remove the foil and broil the salmon for an additional 3 to 5 minutes, until the top is golden brown and crispy. Step 8. Remove from the oven and let the salmon rest for a few minutes before serving. Step 9. To serve, cut the salmon into individual portions and arrange on a large platter. Garnish with additional lemon slices and fresh herbs if desired. This recipe is easy to prepare and can feed a large family gathering. You can easily adjust the recipe based on the number of guests you're serving, and it's a great option for a healthy and delicious holiday dinner. Enjoy!